Hi, welcome to the Forecast2Cash tutorial. Here's the Legend Driver Unit for visualization, including a baseline representing current values and a forecast predicting future trends. Click the plus button to expand the visualization. Then use the pencil button to edit the node. Enter values in the input fields based on the baseline or forecast, adjusting as needed. Click the Save button to apply and save changes. These updates will reflect in parent nodes and automatically save to your Google Sheet. You can now see the updated values in the parent nodes. Thanks for watching.